President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has ordered all agencies to mobilize and ensure the safety of Filipinos affected by the lingering effects of Tropical Depression Maymay and southwest monsoon. The NDR-RMC is now on full alert, with preemptive evacuations underway in flood and landslide-prone areas. IBC correspondent Harley Valbuena has the details.
Amid non-stop rains in Metro Manila and huge part of the country brought by Tropical Storm Maymay and enhanced habagat, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered all respective agencies to mobilize and ensure the safety of all affected Filipinos.
Sa kasalukuyan ay nasa full alert status na ang National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council o NDRRMC bilang tugon sa direktiba ng Pangulo. Patuloy na ring nagpapatupad ang ng maagap na hakbang ang lahat ng member agencies ng NDRRMC sa paghahanda at pag-iingat upang matiyak ang agarang pagtugon.
Preemptive evacuation were already in place, especially in flood and landslide-prone areas. Metropolitan Manila Development Authority's rescue personnel and equipment are also on standby, along with constant coordination with LGUs. Mobile pumps and all 73 pumping stations also remain operational.
Handa ang Pangulo at ang pamahalaan sa anumang sakuna.
According to the Department of Social Welfare and Development, almost 1.8 million pesos was allocated for humanitarian assistance. Over 5 million family food packs were readied, along with 1.6 billion pesos standby funds. Ready-to-eat food items and sleeping kits were also distributed to several provinces. The Joint Response Team of Philippine Coast Guard also conducted preemptive evacuation from coastal communities, while the Department of Public Works and Highways immediately performed clearing operations on several flooded areas in Metro Manila. The agency is active 24/7 to ensure safe travel of motorists and commuters. As of 6 a.m. today, over 80,000 individuals were reported to be affected by the weather disturbance. They are from regions 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, Bangsamoro, and Cordillera. Almost 7,000 remain inside evacuation centers. 83 flooded areas were also recorded in regions 1, 3, 9, and BARM. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.